Well, the wildfire smoke we are dealing with is carrying ash with it. And it might seem harmless, but it turns out it can cause significant damage to your car's paint. According to the experts at Auto Wash, the ash can actually scratch your paint. So do not wipe it off with a towel because it's going to scratch your car. But they recommend you get it off the paint as soon as possible. So they say to blow off the loose ash first, then rinse your vehicle top down with water. Then you can take it to the car wash or wash it yourself. And John Shumway, as a public service, has said that he will come to your home with his leaf blower and blow that off for you.
But think about it. It is another use for the leaf blower to get that ash
it's actually
off of the
perfect,
car,
right?
so that you don't damage the paint.
Yeah, I would just be out there with a piece of paper trying to wave it off. I don't know what to do.
I'd like to see that.
Yeah, and you think that, I mean, we're really going to have people that are going to be dealing with this, especially this morning, with how thick things are. How thick are things? Well, let's show you visibility numbers. This is happening not because of the normal reason why, where you have moisture particles or water particles out there condensing. This is happening because of the ash that's out there because of the smoke and the wildfires this morning. So we're looking at the surface. Some areas it's thick enough, the smoke, that it's zero. The visibility right now in the Franklin area, Youngstown at half a mile, Indiana at half a mile, the Connellsville area, even though it's showing 1.5, they're pretty much down to zero at this point. Very low visibilities are in place, and they're going to be around, it looks like, all day long today. Now, things will improve once the sun comes up. We get a little bit more direct sunlight. But overall, this haze is going to be around. Look at these numbers. We're in the hazardous range in the highest areas here around the Pittsburgh area, western Pennsylvania. And it's not just us. Let me zoom out and show you the big picture here. We have the entire state of Michigan under unhealthy or very unhealthy conditions. We have a big chunk of that area over into Ohio that's in the hazardous range, the same as what we are seeing here. It is nasty, the air quality that we're seeing out there this morning. So I do want to show you the latest modeling. This is the smoke forecast. It's going to begin to show really Saturday morning at around 3 or 4 o'clock. And this is slower than what it had been showing just the last couple of days. But about 3 or 4 o'clock on Saturday morning, things will start to rapidly and improve by the time the sun comes up on Saturday morning, when most folks are starting to kind of get up and about. Things should be a lot better when it comes to air quality. Now, the other thing we're going to be dealing with, and we will see, you can kind of see there in just the last little bit, the air quality or the smokiness will be back. Not as thick coming in on Sunday, but at least right now, Saturday, we get a little bit of a break. Now, we also on Saturday have a short wave that's going to come in as the jet stream slides down to the south just briefly. This will give us a chance for severe weather Saturday afternoon. You can see some spot showers, maybe a severe thunderstorm early in the afternoon, but the strongest chance, highest chance for those severe storms will come later after 6 o'clock. Some fast moving cells, maybe even some large hail will be possible. It's probably just going to be wind speeds that we're mainly going to be dealing with on your Saturday into the afternoon. Look at what it looks like outside right now. It's 64 degrees. The sun is up. You're not going to see much today because of the smoky skies. 86, your high temperature today will be near 80 degrees at noon. 83, your Saturday high. And next week, our humidity levels are going to be much lower, so your comfort levels are going to go up.